nail artist, if you enjoy Draw and Paint with Your Regret on YouTube and you would like to show your support, you can find Cash App and Venmo information below. This channel is free to watch and learn from. If you like any of my art products, please go to mpbimage.com to purchase. If you purchase, make sure you leave a comment so my product maker know that you've purchased from the YouTube link. The actual handout, I did drop it into the chat for us. And if you are having issues, let me know, then I could probably just email it to you. So this is our actual image that we're going to draw. And as you can see, there is several objects that we definitely have to draw with our one continuous line. So I am looking at my overall composition, and I think turning my sketchbook horizontal probably makes more sense to the composition that we have at hand, right? So I just want to make sure that I'm doing that way I can at least fit the composition of the printout or the image. So once again, we have to use one continuous line. And I do have my image near me. That way I can just see what I'm looking at. So I need to talk about how do we block our cone of vision. So a way to do it, even for me, is that I am sitting here in this screen that I'm talking to you. I'm looking at my actual laptop, right?
Yeah.
My and hopefully you can see this, but my sketchbook, my drawing station is to the right of me, right? That
Right.
means that already my cone of vision is blocked because I'm staring at my computer and my
Right.
paper is in a completely different area,
hmm
right?
hmm
So um if I want to do this drawing, I need to do my best to block out the image that I'm seeing. So you see it and I think I see it as well. Let me look and see it. So I'm gonna do my best to take off uh this image, which is there you go, the chat. Um I don't want to I don't want to be looking at the image and looking at what I'm seeing on my computer screen is what I'm trying to say.
Right. Right.
So what I'm gonna do for me, that way I'm not looking at anything in different views. I'm gonna take my image, I'm gonna put it up on my computer screen for right now.
hmm
Because I need to make sure that I'm staring at it but not looking at my actual paper. So I am gonna start and I'm hoping I'm in the frame. And yeah, I'm in the frame. So
Very brave.
I'm going to, yeah, exactly. I'm going to start with my sphere first. So I am starting with the sphere. I'm going to take a line. I'm going to continue to line to my pyramids. And I'm going to do my best to draw inside out. So I'm trying to get the bottom of my pyramid. I'm trying to connect it to the top. I don't want to lift my pencil or my marker. So I'm
Uh-huh.
getting the squiggly rod that's in the foreground. And I'm still using my continuous line to get to the next object. I'm not lifting my pen or my pencil. I'm going to try and get the circle down. Oh, this feels weird. And then I'm going to get the smaller circle down. So you see how I'm taking a line, my continuous line, and I'm connecting it from one object to the next.
Right.
So this is my blind contour drawing. And as you see, what I had to do to kind of block out my cone of vision, sometimes putting your pad in a different area definitely helps with you not wanting to look at your hand and also the paper at the same time. So hopefully that helps because I'm going to give you a little bit of time to practice doing blind contour with multiple objects. Then I'll check it and then we'll move on.